Hello students, here I am going to explain one more important point in C++, ambiguity in multiple inheritance. See, ambiguity means what? Whenever there is a confusion to compiler in any case, then that is nothing but ambiguity. Inheritance is nothing but if there is already created any class and from that you are creating any new class, then that is just a concept of inheritance. There is a case like there are multiple base classes and from that you are creating one single class as a derived class, then that is what? That is a multiple inheritance. Now here where you will get ambiguous situation, that I am going to explain. See, consider here there is a one base class base 1 and it is having one member function like void show. Now here see, this show member function is not taking any argument and not return type. Now again the same show member function I am writing in one more class, that is class base 2. Only the difference is in class base 1 I am displaying like class base 1 like this inside that member function, and in base 2 class I am just displaying like class base 2. Okay, these are two base class. I am just going to create here one derived class using these two classes as a base class. Now here see, we have created a derived class derived using this base 1 and base 2 as a base class. Means from base 1 and base 2 we are creating this derived class. Okay. Now suppose we are creating any object of derived class like derived obj. In that case, whenever we call like obj.show, there are actually two copies of show member function in this derived class. Why? Because one is there from base 1 and second one is from base 2. Now there are two copies of show member function in derived class. Now which one is to be called, from base 1 or base 2? That is an ambiguous situation to the compiler, and we can resolve that with the help of scope resolution operator in C++. Now we can write like this: obj, that is object of derived class, dot base 2 scope resolution show. What is the meaning of this one? Means call show method from base 2 class. Getting? To learn more, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.